Hi everybody, Embedded World 2024. I'm at the NXP booth. Really excited to be here with Kurt Hellier. So very nice to be with you here again. We also met in Las Vegas, and we're here to showcase the NXP Cloud Studio. Others might call it Vehicle DevOps, and it's really a joint project of various players, NXP, aicas, MathWorks, and others, AWS as well. And so I'm asking Kurt, what are we showing here? So how does aicas come in?
Okay, great. I'll go ahead and explain that. I may go back to the top screen and show you the value propositions, and then we'll go into the demo. Okay, great. So the value propositions that we have here, and these are things that are very important for our customers in this new market, this new software-defined world. The ability to start early with virtual prototypes provided by Synopsys, the ability to scale your systems to where you can do integrated testing, automated testing, and even scale these systems out to multiple developers quickly and easily. It's all about speed. Our customers need to get to market quickly, and they need to have all of these integration problems solved as they go along. And then finally, we work on updating the vehicle and monitoring the vehicle. Now, monitoring is really where aicas has played a very key part in our development and our applications. You can see all of our partners over here on this side. We've got the aicas that I will show you how they're playing a role in our DevOps solutions. So let's go to the demo. If you're familiar with DevOps, some of the major things that we talk about are coding, build, test, deployment, and monitoring. There are a few other steps in terms of releasing and planning, but the 5 major ones that we talk about are at the top there. NXP has built cloud-based solutions that allow you to code, build, and test on Amazon machine images in the cloud. So we just walk through those steps. We get to where we're testing an image. We built it. We're going to test it in the cloud. We can also test it on attached hardware. We're finally going to deploy that image down to the vehicle. When it is deployed, we kick into the aicas monitoring. Now, what aicas can do when we deployed this application down into the propulsion controller, the real-time super integration processor, we take the signals that we care about. They can be battery voltages, electric motor currents, the results of energy management calculations. Really anything in the vehicle can be aggregated, pushed into over MQTT, pushed securely into the gateway processor. aicas makes some technology that allows you to create rules, to filter your data, to pre-process your data, a lot of power and flexibility at the edge. And then finally, you take the results you care about, you send them to the cloud. And the other thing that aicas creates is the ability to display this data so it's meaningful. So I think you have layers that run on top of AWS FleetWise. They give you additional management and visibility. And here you have an example of a dashboard they built for us about 2 years ago. And we can see vehicle speed, battery current, the results of our energy management algorithms for range extension, and just a lot of great technology that you guys provide. So I'll pass it back to you.
Yeah, thanks very much, Kurt. So this is really a great showcase for NXP, the Gold Box as a start, the entire cloud environment, aicas, and of course AWS. So lots of great partners coming together. The data use case you see here are really top of mind. We're going further with the partnership around data. So thanks very much again, Kurt, for hosting us, and thanks for the joint demo. See you soon.